Hello guys, so you know that nowadays I am discussing about latest features of C Sharp 11, and what we are doing that we are comparing C Sharp 11 features with C Sharp 9 and 10, right, parallelly. So some of the features are comparing with the old features and what is new there, so we can discuss that. So today we are discussing about Auto Default Struct in C Sharp 11, right? So to understand that one, we have to create a struct. So let me create public struct person, right? And let me create some properties here. So first property is string name, right? And okay, that is string. Let me create another property that is int age, right? Now everything is fine, but when we create a constructor of this struct person, right? So it is complaining for different things that auto implemented property person dot name must be fully assigned before control is returned to the caller. So this is the restriction here that for use these properties we have to assign the default value, either some value or null value, whatever you want to assign there. So let me create pass two parameters here. String is now name, name is right. So the issue is resolved here. Okay, int. So you can see the issue is resolved here because we are passing these two parameters, assigning these values from the constructor, right? So this behavior is in C Sharp. If I remove this one, if I remove this one, so still this will not valid because it will ask to assign the value for person.age. So that is the behavior of C Sharp 11. Let me move the same code to C Sharp. That is the behavior for C Sharp 10. Now let me move to the same code to the C Sharp 11. I have written the same code here, right? And you can see there is no complaints for age field, right? If I go back here, so there is the complaining that person.age should be there. If I go here, there is no issue, and we are in C Sharp 11 feature. Now what I do, I will check what is happening. So let me create a object here. Then I am printing the name of that person and then printing the age. So what will happen? Person dot name we are assigning from here, but person dot name age we are not assigning, right? We are not initializing from anywhere. So when I run this program, it will provide the default value 0 to this program, right? So that is the default uh, auto default struct, that you don't need to assign the default value to your properties now in C Sharp 11. That will automatically provided by the C Sharp 11 feature, right? So that is for today, guys. And for the next video, I will come with the another latest feature with C Sharp, and lot of the stuff is coming to learn and understand with latest one, right? Thanks for today. Bye.